So students, see, it is the last topic of percentage. Okay, thereafter we will discuss about profit or loss in the next lesson. So in percentage is the last topic, increase or decrease as a percentage. Suppose to be students, any data is given and just it asking that find the percentage. Okay, then how it will you find out? How will you find? Supposed to be you have 10 rupees and it lost 5 rupees more. It means you have get loss of 5 rupees. Then what percentage is there? So same way, increase or decrease in a quantity. What the increasing or decreasing in the quantity? It's depend upon the data, raw data. So increase or decrease in a quantity is found as a percentage. Is found as a percentage of the initial or original amount. Initial or original amount, it means what the data you have. It depends upon the question. So see, as example, in front of you, to find increasing or decreasing percentage, what the formula is there? Formula is very important, so kindly learn. Increasing or decreasing percentage. What percentage of increasing or decreasing is equal to change amount. What the amount is varied, what the original amount and what the next amount, what the number of variation are there. So change amount or by original amount multiply by 100. See, the total marks of a Charlie increased. Are you getting the questions? The total marks of Charlie are increased from 365 to 380. What happened? It is increasing 365 to 380. So we can see that what is the initial or original amount? Original amount or initial amount, what is there? 365. What is the changed amount? 380 minus 365. That will be the changed amount. Find the increasing percentage. Then we have to find the percentage. Simple as a solution. What we will do? Original amount. Original amount, what is there? 365. And what is the change amount? Amount changed 380 to 380 minus 365. What the answer will be there? 15. Okay, students. Now, what is increasing percent? So, what we will do? Increase percentage is equal to amount changed by original amount into 100. Simple. What is the amount change? 15. Original amount 365 by 100. Students, just you will solve it. As you will solve, it will get 5, 20, 5 9 5 7 35, 5 3 15, 73 or 50. 15 to the 300 by 73. Now students, when we will divide 300 by 73, then result will become 4.10 percentage. It is your answer. Just to divide it, you can check 300 4 4 3 12 minus 1 7 30 8 1 39 8 0 0 sorry 73 7 it means we can say that it will not completely reduce. So we will maximum after this one maximum 2 points are enough. Okay. So students, we can say that it is all about the percentage and what the next session will be there. That will be on the basis of profit or loss. But before proceeding, kindly take care of it, watch the videos 2 or 3 times, solve all the questions which is given in your exercise and send back to me. Okay students, thank you.